बहुत अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग मूवी था.
Two different, but definitely entertaining.
You know, it was only the sound effects and the horrifying. Otherwise, nothing so much. I think Abigail was much better.
I didn't expect it to be that good.
The beginning scene when that high priestess came, man, very lovely.
ये मूवी को आप कितना रेट करना चाहते हो 5 में से?
5.
4.
Yeah, I would rate it around 6.
7.5 out of 10.
5 में से 2.5 stars.
I'd say this is 8.5 out of 10.
I'd rate it solid 2.5.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ अबीरा और आप देख रहे हैं बज़ूका। हॉलीवुड मूवी टेरर जो कि 1992 नॉवेल हॉरोस्कोप पे बेस्ड है, वो आज थिएटर में रिलीज़ हो चुकी है। तो चलिए हम ऑडियंस से पूछते हैं कैसी लगी उनको ये मूवी कैसी लगी आपको?
अच्छी लगी.
बहुत अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग मूवी था.
See, Tarot basically, वो लोग try किए थे. They try to make it horrifying, but like my friends just suggested कि it was only the sound effects and the horrifying. Otherwise, nothing so much. I think Abigail was much better.
It was good, but it wasn't that great. There was a
Focuses more on the jump scares than the actual acting and all. But overall, I would say it was a bit moderate for a good horror movie.
The movie was pretty alright. It's been a while since I've seen a few horror movies. I did watch one recently, but it was entertaining enough. There was a bit of humor too.
I didn't expect it to be that good. My friends told me about it, so I was like, okay, it'll be just a time pass watch, but actually surprised me. And it did show a lot of quality actors as well. Haven't heard them too much, but it showed Spider-Man's best friend, Ned and all. They showed all these actors. And they showcase their talents in the horror scene. And I think that these actors should build up on their horror movie skills. And it's really nice to see these new faces and these new concepts as well. Who would have thought that tarot movie would showcase a horror sequence of tarot cards? So yeah, it's a very good concept, and I think that they should have sequels on this.
क्या आपको मूवी देखने के बाद डर लगा?
नहीं, हाँ डर तो है. बीच बीच में भी है और लास्ट में भी है, पर अच्छी मूवी थी.
हाँ, बहुत बार डरा मैं तो.
I think it was the high priest, the first death. That was the most scary.
I like the whole concept about using cards. It's apart from the whole doing some juju stuff and using cards, predicting your future, stuff like that. In a way, I wouldn't say it's too different, but definitely entertaining. Different idea. Yeah.
Yeah, so just the fact that it's different and it's showcasing the horror aspect of astronomy, of your science, and how these can be merged into different ways, and how they have horror elements. Like they've merged the horror elements very well: sound, lighting, acting. Then on top of that, I really like the ghosted designs and how the events you can map and save yourself or kill yourself with your readings. So that was very nice. Played out very well.
सबसे डरावना सीन कौन सा था?
सबसे डरावना सीन जब ये वो सब लोग वहाँ पे जाते हैं, कार्ड जब खोलते हैं ना, तो अचानक से ऐसा लिफ्ट बंद होता है, खुलता है, ये सब डरावना है.
एक ट्रेन वाला सीन था और एक मूवी के एंड में जो सीन्स थे वो.
The beginning scene when that high priestess came, man, very lovely. Yeah. She was definitely high.
5 रीज़न बताइए क्यों ये मूवी देखनी चाहिए?
He mentioned just the jump scares. It's just focusing on the jump scares mainly. The things are happening too fast in the movie, right? One after the other. And any more thing you want to add?
Well, plus the trailer looked very appealing, so it was pretty exciting to see from the start only.
अगर टिकट सस्ती हो डेफिनेटली देखो. बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक आप लोग दोबारा आएंगे यही मूवी के लिए. लेकिन वे वन टाइम वॉच है. एंड 5 रीज़न. There were cute girls inside in the movie, and the best was the Spider-Man's friend, who resembles one of my friends, Travis. Also, वो भी movie में.
So if you have an uncle that loves to play rummy and you don't want to play with him, this is a good reason to not go to his house again.
It's scary. And 3 and 4 it's different. And it's worth a watch.
इसमें अवंतिका वंदनापू है जो तमिल की बहुत बड़े एक्ट्रेस है, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? वो भी इस हॉरर मूवी में है.
She kind of stood out compared to the rest of the actors. I'd say more about the whole diversity with the actors that are there, people from different races, this and that. I liked the way she did her thing. She certainly did stand out for me with a whole different look compared to the rest of them.
I couldn't tell that she was from the Indian background. she looked very Indian, but I couldn't tell that she's from India. She killed it, and I think they should use her a lot more in say bigger budget movies like Marvel or Conjuring or stuff like that.
ये मूवी को आप कितना रेट करना चाहते हो 5 में से?
5.
4.
Yeah, I would rate it around 6.
7.5 out of 10.
5 में से 2.5 stars.
I'd say this is 8.5 out of 10.
I'd rate it solid 2.5.
वेल ऑडियंस को तो ये मूवी काफ़ी डरावनी लगी, पर आपको ये मूवी कैसी लगी और कौन सा पार्ट डरावना लगा, ये कमेंट सेक्शन पर लिख के ज़रूर बताइए। और ऐसे ही लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए जुड़े रहिए बज़ूका के साथ।